We have seen tremendous change, but also challenges. With the coming in of the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, I believe Nairobi will transform to a better capital city. So, notwithstanding, for the last few days, we have seen lots of conflict and even life-threatening incidents. I humbly tender my resignation, and for continuity of the institution, I appoint my deputy pursuant to the law and the new act, the Honorable Speaker John Kamangu, who is the Deputy Speaker, to take over as the acting Speaker and also the Chairperson of the Nairobi County Service Board as the Assembly prepares to recruit a new Speaker. I also leave the Assembly well prepared, and I know we are in court, but the orders were given, and Jacob Gwele was told to step aside. We had Ada Onyango. All of them are in court, and therefore they were told to step aside until the case is over on the 16th of October. And I therefore appoint the acting clerk, who has been there, Ms. Pauline Okuku, to continue serving as the acting clerk, but who is also the deputy clerk administration, to support the Honorable John Kamangu during this period. Sir, the Assembly is in recess, and therefore it will be back on the 8th of September 2020. And when they come back, due to COVID-19, the plenaries are still on virtual, based on the advisory given by the head of public service. Once again, sir, I want to thank you so much for the opportunity you gave me to serve Nairobians, and I hope to continue serving in your administration in any other capacity in future. God bless you, sir. God bless Nairobi, and God bless Kenya. Mnanishangazanga asubuhi. Kwani mtu hawezi resign? I mean, surely, you know, I come from a very different old book maybe. I mean, there's time for everything. And for me, my journey is a very different journey. Me, I always feel when God tells me this is the right time, this is the right time. I leave when my head is high. Last time I left when my head is low. Today I leave myself, my head is high. I mean, I have done what is rightful, and I'm back with my political career. That was my most important agenda, my political career. Because that time, nobody would have trusted. Nobody would have said what they were saying was right. Yeah, so today I leave my head high. Without force, without what, I live with my head high. And that's the most important thing in everyone's life, especially for us women. So I know women, we are looked at. Our leadership is very different. We are not like men who fight, and you look at an institution